Hi, I'm Gabe Dominelli, and this Brokus crap, which I've been dealing with since February 8th of 2024, and this is my redemption story. So, what do you think it's like being able to not speak? And do I sound the same up there? Or I don't know. Because it's a process, and the better and better I do, the process kept getting stronger and stronger and stronger. And now I just, the process has been the same. It's just, I keep getting better and better all the time. Yeah. So, my vocal cords weren't established enough, but I still thought I was the same.